Hey guys, welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a 2008 Akira Seiki SL-35. A couple key features: 10-inch chuck, 12-station turret, Fanuc Oi-TC control. We do have a short program for you to see the machine running today. If I miss anything, feel free to let me know. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one. Here's to get a close-up of the Fanuc Oi-TC control. Low hours on this machine, 4,300 cutting hours. Do a quick wrap around. We have enough space to show you pretty much every angle of this machine. Really clean inside and out. The chip conveyor there, the foot pedals down below. Show you the other side here. Get a video of the control cabinet as well. We do have all the books and manuals for this machine. And there's the back as well. We have a short program running on the machine right now. You get a close-up on the inside. We have the spindle runners, a 10-inch chuck, 12-station turret, Tailstock with the live center. There you have it, guys. That was a 2008 Akira Seiki SL-35. If I missed anything, you want to see anything else, videos, photos, specs, features, feel free to give me a call, 909-919-9600. Or for a quote, visit us at the website, www.machinestation.us. Guys, you enjoyed the machine, if you liked the video, feel free to leave a like on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as usual, thanks for watching, guys.